WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. 24-hour temperature cast starts us off and is preparing us for lots of hot today. Numbers getting well into the 80s by 10, 11 o'clock this morning, likely up over 90 by noontime and staying in the 90s, maybe past 6, 7 o'clock tonight. We saw 97 for a daytime high yesterday. We're probably going to get pretty close to that number again today. The key this time of year, always those scattered showers. Hardly a drop yesterday, and I think limited chances for showers today, which is going to mean more of that heat. I don't see a lot of organized weather across the southeast. They got a little something going on over parts of eastern Texas, but that's a long way from here. And over the next couple of days, while things will slowly start to change, our rain chances are going to slowly start to increase, which still means lots of hours of really hot. It's 74 degrees this morning in Tallahassee. Thomasville, we're at 73. Valdosta, we're at 72. We see a 68 in Blakely and an 80 at Port St. Joe. If we throw those two numbers out, everybody else between 70 and 77. It's warm, it's muggy to get started, and really no outstanding surface features jump off the map. Got lots of yellow arrows going every which way. We've got kind of an unsettled look and feel to big parts of the southeast. Any of the cooler and drier air is way off to our north and west, and that's where it's going to stay. This afternoon, I think limited showers. Now, that is not the same as zero showers. There should be a couple that pop up and develop, and those will be the real lucky spots that get a little relief from this heat. But most areas are going to get hot early and stay hot until late. And I think today, hot and humid, which is going to make those numbers in the mid-90s feel like they're up in the low 100s. And I think we have more of the same to look forward to tomorrow, too. I do see some changes in the overall weather pattern for the second half of the week. Maybe a little bit more of a wet pattern tries to find the southeast. And of course, all of this is independent of what's going on out across the Atlantic and the tropics. As that energy works its way towards the Caribbean, we'll have to watch and see if it becomes a player in our forecast, maybe by early next week. So there are some changes. But for these first couple of days, if we don't get the showers, it's going to get awfully hot out there and stay that way for a long period of time. Winds on the Gulf today, northwest and west 5 to 15, seas 2 feet or less. A pretty good setup for the boaters. I think today and tomorrow especially. We'll see the last of the high tides finished up at 5:30, so it's low tides that get started a little after 7. 70s for temperatures with the hazy sunshine. Let's call it muggy. Sunrise time 7:06. This afternoon, I think we're looking at mid-90s. We hit 97 yesterday. No reason we shouldn't get someplace close to that again today. Let's put the rain chances around 30 or 40%. That's it. So not a great chance, but it is better than a zero chance. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we'll see those numbers stay in the 70s, probably the mid-70s. The tropics are getting a little bit more active again. There are no named systems out there right now. That could change later on this week, but we've got plenty of time to watch and see what happens. For the short term, shower chances more limited. As those increase later on this week, our daytime highs should start to come down a little.
Rob, thank you. The time now 6:21. Let's talk some national news. The coronavirus outbreak has upended many aspects of American life, including time-honored traditions like political conventions. CBS's Skylar Henry joins us live from Washington, D.C. this morning following this story. Good morning, Skylar. The Democratic National Convention gets underway today, but it's certainly going to look and feel different. What can we expect from this new virtual format?